Hi everyone. With 2023 coming to a close, we thought it would be a great time to share with you how our YouTube channel got started.
Our first video was released in February of 2012. However, not because we wanted to start a channel. There's a whole other story behind it. Kim grew up gardening and she always wanted a house with her own garden. Finally, in January 2011, we moved into this house and Kim could have her garden.
Now, this hill looked nothing like it does today. No raised beds, no terraces cut in. It was just a hill with weeds. But I was not going to let that stop me. I actually rototilled out a small area in the corner of our backyard right over here. And for Mother's Day 2011, the whole family came out and helped me plant my first garden at this house.
But still, no thoughts of a YouTube channel yet.
In the fall of 2011, we auditioned for a backyard makeover TV show called Extra Yardage.
Now the format of Extra Yardage was this: if you provide the labor, they would provide the design and the materials for your new backyard, giving you extra yardage. Now we didn't have any type of budget, so we could not have done this on our own. So we applied and we were selected.
That's right. Jerry sent in photos for the audition, and there are photos of me lowering myself down the backyard on a rope because we had no safe access down here. So you can imagine how excited they were when they picked us for the show.
Now what they told us was they really liked how this backyard went downhill, and they hadn't had an episode like that yet. So they really liked what they could do here. And in November, we gathered 40 of our friends and we shot over a weekend, and this is what you see now.
But still, no thought of a gardening YouTube channel. But then Jerry's friends had a contest.
So I had some buddies that I shoot camera stuff with, and we all would like critique each other's work. And we were thinking, let's see who can make a video and get the most views. Kim was composting, and I just grabbed my camera and I said, hey, what are you doing?
So I talked about compost, came down here and put some compost around my herbs in my brand new garden. And that part of our history.
That was actually our very first video, which was never designed to be a full-on gardening channel. But something interesting happened. People commented on Kim's video and said, yeah, this is really interesting. We want to know more about this. Tell us more. Can you please do some more videos? And that's how it all started.
So next we started posting videos on seed starting, composting some more, planting watermelon, and we asked our viewers what to do. And we got a lot of suggestions. We started implementing them, and it was just so much fun to see you all grow along with us. So here we are, 11 years later, 1,200 garden tutorials, and over 500,000 subscribers worldwide, teaching people how to grow, harvest, and eat your own vegetables in a quick, simple, and inexpensive way.
So no matter if you have a large backyard, small backyard, no backyard, or if you have a balcony, we can show you how to grow your own vegetables.
In 2023, if you want to grow your own fresh, tasty organic vegetables, here's what you need to do now.
First thing is to subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so you do not miss any of our videos.
Now we have 2 garden videos a week and a YouTube live stream every Monday at noon Pacific time, and you don't want to miss those.
The next thing you need to do is go to our website and sign up for our mailing list. That way you get all the announcements from Kim.
And our website is CaliKimGardeningHome.com. And to kick off 2023, to help you get started in a quick, simple, and inexpensive way, we're having a seed clearance sale. So you get 50% off all 30 of my seed collections. Now if you're not familiar with those are handy seed kits that are organized by growing season or by type of fruit or vegetable. So you don't have to worry about what to buy, but it's 50% off with the code WINTERGARDEN, and we're extending that sale until Monday, January 2nd, 2023. We can't wait to grow our gardens together in 2023. We have a lot of fun garden content planned that you don't want to miss.
Now here's what you need to do. If you're in, you need to click in the comments down below and type in, all right, I'm with you all in 2023.
We'll be looking for your comments. Can't wait to start the new year off together. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.